When we start learning English, we often make some common mistakes without even realizing it. And if we don't know how to fix them, it becomes a habit. So in today's video, I will tell you 10 such common mistakes that you can fix right away and start speaking better English. So let's get started. First one is saying sentences like, one of my friend gave me this book, or one of my favorite movie is Inception. Correct version would be, one of my friends gave me this book, or one of my favorite movies is Inception. Because here we are not talking about only one friend or one movie. We are talking about one friend out of all our friends. So here I am saying one of my friends means I am picking one friend out of all my friends. And if I am saying one of my favorite movies, here I am picking one movie out of all my favorite movies. So I can have multiple favorite movies, I can have multiple friends. So here it is about picking one out of all. So the correct sentences would be, one of my friends gave me this book, or one of my favorite movies is Inception. Now second is saying your hairs are beautiful. Correct would be, your hair is beautiful. Here hairs are not plural. When we talk about the hair on our body, then we consider them singular and uncountable noun. So correct would be, your hair is beautiful. And third is using the sentence like, I passed out from school in 2023. So using this phrase pass out for graduation. It is not a correct use, because pass out meaning to faint or to lose consciousness. So instead we can say, I graduated from school in 2023, or I completed school in 2023. So that would be the correct version. Next is, my friend and me went to the market. So we often say this, or we might have heard people using these type of sentences, me and my friend went to the market, or my friend and me went to the market. The correct sentence would be, my friend and I went to the market. When we talk about ourselves, usually we say I went to the market, or I went somewhere. We don't say me went to the market, right? So because me is used as an object pronoun and I is used as a subject pronoun. So when we talk about subject, we use I, not me. We can understand this with example, how we can use me. So one example can be, she invited me to the party. So here me is used as an object, not subject. So I hope you understood this. Next is saying something like, I didn't knew this, using knew with did not. The correct would be, I did not know this, because did is already a past form of do. So in a sentence we don't use two past forms. We will use base form of know. So that would be, I didn't know this, not I didn't knew this. Next is using sentences like, I'm looking forward to see you, or I'm looking forward to meet you. So the correct sentences would be, I'm looking forward to seeing you, or I'm looking forward to meeting you. Here the phrase looking forward to is a fixed expression, and in this case to is used as a preposition, and after to preposition we use the ing form of a verb, not simple form. So correct sentences would be, I'm looking forward to seeing you, or I'm looking forward to meeting you. Now next is saying sentences like, she is my best friend for 10 years, or I'm living here for 5 years. So in such cases correct version would be, she has been my best friend for 10 years, or I have been living here for 5 years. The reason is, when we talk about something that started in past and it is happening in present also, it continues to the present, then we use the tense present perfect tense. So the correct form would be has been or have been. So the correct sentences would be, she has been my best friend for 10 years, or I have been living here for 5 years. Now next is saying sentences like, she is married with a doctor, or he is engaged with a teacher. So in this case correct sentence would be, she is married to a doctor, or he is engaged to a teacher. In this case the phrases married to and engaged to, they are fixed phrases. So in such cases, we use the correct prepositions to describe someone is married to or engaged to. Now next is using sentences like please share me the meeting link or please share me the PDF or a file. So in this case, correct version would be please share the meeting link with me or please share the file with me. Because here the verb share is typically used with this with when referring to the person you are sharing something with. So correct would be please share the meeting link with me or please share the file with me. Now last one is I am in the bus or plane or train. Correct sentence would be I am on the bus or plane or train. And the reason is we use on preposition for all the vehicles like public transportation where we can stand and walk. And in is used for the vehicle, mainly they are private vehicles or somewhere we cannot walk or stand properly. So here the correct sentence would be I am on the bus, plane or metro. So these were 10 common mistakes. I hope you understood them correctly and you will be able to use them in your regular conversation going forward. And thank you so much for watching this video till end.